What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Visible phone designed by ZTE. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so this phone is going to be designed by ZTE, as I said before, but this is exclusive to Visible. Now, Visible is a new company on the chopping block, and I'm really excited to check this phone out. Also, one of the cool things about Visible is this is going to be a phone service and an app. They're basically going to send you a little SIM card right here, and they're going to give you directions. The directions are obviously stated right here, so it says how it's work. Pop out old SIM using provided tool. Number 2, insert new SIM. Number 3, make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi. Number 4, download and launch the Visible app. And number 5, follow on-screen directions. Pat yourself on the back, and then you did it. So as you guys see, everything should be very self-explanatory. As you guys see right here, it even says it's a phone service in an app. So that's definitely what makes this different, what makes Visible unique, and why you might want to actually go with them. So obviously this is going to be catered toward millennials. This is going to be a very easy device to set up, but let's go ahead and unbox it. Again, this device is from ZTE. It's not going to break any records, but that is not what it's made for. It's a very affordable handset at only $99 and the cheapest on Visible's website. Alright guys, so first thing that we have in the box is the Visible R2, and I just want to state really quick that the sandstone back is absolutely my favorite material back that I have seen on a smartphone. You can literally leave no fingerprints on this device. It looks dope as well, and it just looks like sandstone. So really awesome stuff so far. We're going to take a deeper look into this in a sec, but let's go ahead and put this to the side. Next thing that you're going to find right here is the Visible R2 quick start guide. We also have our wall charger right here. And last but not least, we have the USB Type-C cable right here. So it's always good that it's Type-C, but this is used for data transferring and charging your device. That is all we have in the box. Alright guys, so we have the device right here. Let's go ahead and take off the screen protector. Let's go ahead and boot up this device, but so far I'm definitely getting vibes of the ZTE Max 2S. So definitely looks like that device. Definitely like the form factor a little bit better since it's a little smaller and fits way more comfortable in the hand. Obviously we have that sandstone back. That is my favorite material. I love this so much. But as this phone is booting up, this is going to be a 1.4 gigahertz quad core chipset, 16 gigabytes of internal storage, 3100 milliamp battery. There's also a 13 megapixel rear facing camera. We have a 5 megapixel front facing camera, and as you guys see right here, we have a 5.45 inch IPS 18:9 screen that is going to be 720p. Now this is going to run on Android 8.0, but as you guys see at the bottom right here, we do have USB Type-C, which I absolutely love that we have this in this device. But yeah guys, first and foremost, booting up the device, we get 100% battery, so that's always awesome to see. But I just want to go ahead and go back to the sandstone back. Best feeling material back. Honestly, to me, I absolutely love it. Obviously, we have that ZTE branding right there. We have the rear-facing speaker on the back of the phone. We also have our fingerprint sensor right above the Visible logo right there. But we do have silver trim around this with the gray. Definitely matches it and looks really nice. Really digging that colorway. But as I said before, we have the camera right there and the flash right under. Right side of the device, we have our power button and volume rocker. Left side of the device, we have our SIM tray. Bottom of the device, we have a noise canceling mic and USB Type-C. Absolutely love that this comes with USB Type-C. Definitely a good move. Top of the device, we have a noise canceling mic and a 3.5mm head jack. So far so good. Definitely liking the form factor. 5.5 inches is sort of the sweet spot. Honestly, really do like the size of this device. The bezels are pretty big though, but this is in comparison to the Max 2S, so definitely looks the same as the Max 2S. But yeah, looks good so far. Let's go ahead and take a look at the software, see what software we're running at the moment. And it looks like we are running Android 8.1 right here. So we are going to have Android 8.1 straight out of the box, so that's always nice to see. But so far, definitely like the layout. It's definitely vanilla Android with a little bit of a skin over it. Other than that though, it looks pretty good. And as I said before, this is vanilla Android. The only bloatware that we're going to be seeing on this device is the Visible application, and that is because that is where the phone service is going to be at. So just insert your SIM card, boot up the app, and you should be good. But other than that, really digging the form factor. I really do enjoy the sandstone back. Obviously, we saw this on the OnePlus One, and I honestly dig this device. Dig it so far for 99 bucks. Definitely a good reason to actually go to Visible and start using their service. But yeah, guys, so far definitely gets a stamp of approval from TechRight. Really am enjoying this, and I'm gonna test out the service and everything else and tell you guys how I feel. Also, I will be posting more opinions about this phone later on in later videos, so definitely go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Again, if you guys want to go ahead and check out this phone or check out the service, it is going to be visible.com, so go in the first link in the description down below. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.